In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Steam game icons are showing as these blank thumbnails on your Windows 11 computer. So to fix this, what you need to do is right-click on the game with the blank icon and click on Properties. Then in the Web Document tab, click on Change Icon, click on the Browse button, and then from the left-hand side, click on your C drive, click on Program Files x86. Scroll all the way down and double-click on the Steam folder. Scroll down again and click on Steam, then click on Games, and here you'll find all of your saved game thumbnails. So just select the thumbnail that you want to add to this game and press OK and apply and OK. Now, if you don't see your game icon in this list, then what you'll need to do is head over to the Steam application. Once you've opened up Steam, click on Library in the top navigation. Then you need to find your game from the list, and we're going to right-click on it. Select Properties, click on Installed Files, and then press Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then you'll just need to wait a few minutes while this verifies all of your files. Once you've done that, you can come back over to your game and right-click. Click on Properties, select Change Icon, and then you can check back in this Steam Games folder, and you should now be able to see the thumbnail. Now, if that's still not working, the last solution is to right-click once again on your game. Click on Properties, click on Change Icon, click on Browse, select your C drive from the left-hand side, click on Program Files x86, double-click on the Steam folder, scroll all the way down and double-click on Steam Apps, click on Common, and then locate your game from this list. So for this example, I'll be showing you on Marvel Rivals, double-click this, and then from here, you just need to find your game executable file. So mine is this Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe. Double-click on this, and that's another way you can pull up this icon, press OK, and press Apply and OK. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.